What's up guys, Philemon Sherboy here. Welcome to another video guys, and in today's video I'll be talking to you about how to make money online this week, right? Yes, this week it's like it's about to be Monday, so how to make money online on Monday, right? Because I'm filming this video on Sunday, right? So the when people want to do online marketing and they want to make money online, they do there's different ways basically on how to make money online, right? But I want to tell you about this one thing, right? So just commit to one strategy and one skill, right? So what do I mean by that, right? Commit to one product, one strategy to promote it, right? People like to go to different types of products, right? When you're going to different types of product, nothing is gonna work out. You have to commit to one product, right? That you're sure that it's going to work, right? And have a skill on how you're gonna on how you're gonna to market it, right? So if it's through Instagram ads, or if it's through Facebook, if it's through YouTube, whatever is it, just have a skill on how you're going to market. Don't try to do all types of skills, right? Because just find the one that's best for you and try to do it. Like for me, when I was promoting affiliate marketing products, right? I was trying basically also using Instagram, right? DMs, right? DMing people every day about affiliate marketing things, and people if they basically buy, right? So I did it. I got a few sales from that. Ain't gonna lie, but it was not just my thing, right? I was tired of DMing 90 people a day and not doing good at it, right? And only getting like 2 sales or something like that, right? It was pointless to me. It was tiring. I get tired of DMing people every day. Same thing, copy and paste, right? I know it's not a lot of job, but for me it was not just that fun, right? So I went to YouTube. I'm now starting to promote my products on YouTube, right? Or promote the products that I'm on YouTube, right? Just talking a video, right? I'm good at YouTube. I'm good at talking, right? So what's the best way to make money online? I promote my products through talking. Plus, hey, it's fun for me to talk. I like to talk. Just stay with me for the whole day, boy. You're gonna get tired of me talking, right? So just commit to one thing, right? And use a skill on how you're going to do it, right? Skills the one that I personally use is SEO, right? To optimize your videos, right? What is SEO? Search engine optimization, right? So your videos can rank higher in Google's or YouTube's search engine, right? So people when they click or when they search how to make money online this week, so your videos can be the one that shows up first, right? Because you don't want your videos to be showed up last. Because if it showed up last, ain't nobody gonna if it's down there, no one's gonna scroll down there to find your video. No, unless they personally know you. But most people don't, right? So you want it to be on top there because people will not mostly look at the first 5 videos. The first 5 videos is the one they look at. So you want your video to be there. So what you're going to be good at? Is SEO, search engine optimization. Rank for specific keywords. How to make money online. Do affiliate marketing web. Rank for specific keyword, right? Be good at that, and you're going to make money online. Because on specific niches, your videos will rank number one, right? So people are gonna buy your product, buy a product. So that's the way, right? To optimize your video for them to rank in YouTube, right? And the thing is, for people to buy from you, or when people buy from you, right? I know this guy, he makes $10,000 a month, right? $10,000 a month. Let me show you how. He put a link in the description of his video. He just put a link, right? A link, and it does not even say anything that goes to his free ebook. He never promotes. He only promoted it 1 time or 2 times, and that was like months ago, right? And after that, he never promoted it, but every day it's just in there. Every day is just in there. Every day is just in there, right? Like he makes $10,000 a month, because right, new people are coming in every single day, right? So it's nice to have to have an audience, right? People that know that you're going to market to those specific type of people, right? Have an audience, right? It's like building a brand, right? Have an audience have an audience size where people are coming to your channel every single day, and watching your videos and supposedly buying your product that you're promoting, right? Uh, Because when audience see you, they see you as a let me say a mentor or an advisor. Because you give a ton of value. So whatever you're going to offer, if you give them ton of value in one video and say, hey, check out my link in the description for more value. Or if you're given value in the video, what about they're gonna say, this guy gave me already this type of value in the video. What about the link is gonna give me that is referring me probably even more value that will help me scale my business higher. So that's how they buy, because they see you as a leader. They see you like, oh, this guy knows his things, right? Right? Become the master at a certain thing. Right? Don't try to be good at affiliate marketing, e-commerce, right? Affiliate marketing, e-commerce, blogging, right? Real estate, SMMA, which is social media marketing. Don't try to be a master at all, because what's gonna happen is you're gonna be good at all those things at 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. Right? So you're the middleman. You're gonna be good at 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, and that's not good, right? So you wanna be good at one thing 120%, and sell people there. More people are gonna buy you there because you know what you're talking about, because you're already good at that thing 120%, right? So that's the good thing, right? So just like people see like because like this, you're just being selfish. You just want to try everything, right? Having multiple streams of income is good, yes, but have one multiple stream of income that can take care of that can take care of all. If you are good at e-commerce, first do e-commerce, be good at e-commerce, and then now be good at Facebook ads, e-commerce, everything, and then you can outsource that, give it to people to run your e-commerce store, and then go learn another skill set. You feel me? Right? Go learn another skill set. And when you're good at another skill set, so you're good at e-commerce now, it can take care of itself. You're good at this now, right? Because you already know this one. You do not try to learn everything at the same time. You mastered one, and then you go to the other one. You're good at that one, and then you go to the other one. You're good at that one. You're good at the other. You're good at that one, but you're still focusing on the main one, right? So that's the power. So you'll be good at this 70%, 70%, 70% instead of 30%, right? That's the thing. Don't try to do everything at once. It's never going to work. I like to do everything at once, right? I like to do everything at once, right? Because I never finish my things. I can be, for example, writing down some notes on a specific thing, and I remember, oh shit, oh sorry for the bad light, or like, oh damn, I just forgot something, right? I need to do this, and then I quickly go do it while I left this one behind. And when I'm doing that one, I still remember another thing that I had to go do, and then I leave this one hanging, leave that one hanging, go to the other one, and just try to do them all at the same time, which does not work at all. It does not work at all. Never did, never will. Right? Because your mind can't concentrate on one thing per time. Right? Concentrate on one thing per time. You master it, then you go to the other one. You master it, go to the other one. You master it, go to the other one, right? Yeah, right. Just like you when you're buying a product, right? When you're buying a product from people, right? Buy a product and spend time with that product. Don't buy a product. Don't buy a product from this guru and you see another guru saying this product is better and it's way easier. Well, you already bought this one. You are trying to buy to the other one. You already failed by that time. You already failed. Because what you're gonna do there is being a jack of all trades. You want to try everything, which is never going to work. So when you buy a product, spend time with it. Spend time with that product, right? Don't try to go do other products. Basically, let me tell you something, right? Clear unsubscribe from all the email lists you have from other gurus, right? Unsubscribe from all. Don't learn about e-commerce if you're doing other things, right? If you're doing social media marketing, don't learn about affiliate marketing. If you're doing affiliate marketing, don't learn about what. Focus on affiliate marketing. Let it work. Let it work out for you. Try it out for 6 months. Try it out for a year, right? If you be consistent with it every single day, it's eventually gonna work. It's eventually gonna work if you're doing it the right way, You feel right? So what I wanna do is give you my free ebook that teaches you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing if that's what you wanna know, right? So the first link in the description will give you my free ebook that will teach you everything you need to know about affiliate marketing. Everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, guys. So thank you for watching. My name is Philemon Shiepo, right? And those are the ways to make money online this week, right? Thanks for watching. My name is Philemon Shiepo. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you are new here, like the video if you've enjoyed the content that I have put out, and see you next time. Peace.